You are listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Welcome to our post-close report for Tuesday, June 16, 2026. Wall Street delivered a clear rotation session today, sending the Dow Jones Industrial Average to a fresh record close, while tech shares weighed on the broader market. The Dow gained 0.83%, closing at 52,097.42. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 edged slightly lower, slipping 0.3%, and the Nasdaq Composite was modestly lower, dipping 0.6%. Investors started the day with muted conviction, digesting geopolitical news and preparing for the Federal Reserve policy meeting. While industrials lifted the Dow, afternoon selling in semiconductor names dragged the Nasdaq lower. Looking ahead to the overnight action, S&P 500 futures are essentially flat, but Nasdaq 100 futures are showing a modest post-close drift, down about 0.6%, suggesting that some tech pressure is lingering after the bell. Within megacaps, we saw a distinct split. Nvidia pulled back 2.37% on profit-taking, and Microsoft fell 1.48%. However, Apple and Google bucked the trend, gaining about 1% each. Beyond the megacaps, Intel was the day's biggest story, tumbling 8.45% after Nvidia introduced new processors that directly threaten Intel's core personal computer market. Micron Technology also declined notably, falling 6.18%. On the positive side, Roblox rallied over 8%, and SSR Mining surged nearly 10% after announcing a $500 million share buyback and reinstating its dividend. Looking across the Pacific, Tokyo opens in about an hour. In their previous sessions, Asian markets were mixed, with Japan's Nikkei index ending flat, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng index closed down 1.25%. With Wall Street's mixed close today and technology leading the decline, traders heading into the Asian session should expect a more cautious tone, particularly for regional tech and hardware exporters. On the macro front, the big driver was a tentative peace agreement and ceasefire between the United States and Iran, which is expected to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. The news sent crude oil sliding, with West Texas Intermediate falling 6.04% to $75.87 a barrel, which helped ease broader inflation concerns. Finally, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve as its two-day policy meeting began today. This marks Kevin Warsh's debut as Fed chair, with a rate decision tomorrow. While rates are expected to hold steady, investors will watch the dot plot and forward guidance for clues on future policy. That's your market wrap for today. This has been a Seven Horns AI production. For more insights, visit us at sevenhorns.ai. We'll be back tomorrow.